Beautiful day, beautiful, beautiful day. And we're already outside in the outdoor world. And guess what we're doing today? New spot just opened up in San Jose, so look what we're doing. Oh, Top Golf. Where's that Star Wars thing at? Look at this. Jealousy in the air. Wait, look who that is right there. Can you make that out? Is that Swave 300? I think it's Swave 300. Oh my god! It's Swave 300! Is that Froggy, the guy who hasn't been in a video in a long time?
I've been MIA, bro.
Been MIA and Swave!
Yeah, his daddy.
His daddy? Wait, is that Mango outside of his room? And Yep!
It's not me. What are you talking about? It's not Yep, I mean. It's a clone.
Oh my god, Adriel is like, Adriel's here, Spaghetti's here, the mysterious husband of Spaghetti is here. I hope you don't mind me on camera, by the way.
No, that's fine.
We're all out here, gang in full effect, baby.
Top Golf.
How far are you taking? Come on.
I'm gonna do it all the way. What are you talking about?
All right, Zach.
I got all the way to the end. I got it.
All right, I'm going to ask everybody, how far are you gonna hit, Adriel?
That red color.
Our first one, okay.
Yeah, first
one.
At least past the fence.
Okay, at least past the fence? Easy? How far are you gonna hit?
At least to the middle one.
At least to the middle one, okay. Carol, how far are you gonna hit it?
Probably not very far, honestly. It's probably gonna go crooked.
To the carts?
That way. Yep.
So how far are you gonna hit it?
200 yards.
200 to the end? Froggy?
I'm just gonna try not to hit myself.
Doodles, how far are you gonna hit it?
To infinity and beyond.
Alright. And I will hit it over the fence probably. I'm gonna go for a home run. And the first shot of the day goes to Nikki Doodles.
Don't look at me. Watch me.
We're watching very closely. Yeah. It went right there.
And then I'll
Close.
tell you.
Nikki, you're looking bright.
3 points.
Alright.
My cheeks.
Watch the top.
Oh, there you go. Where'd it go?
Right there. To that.
I'm in the green.
Damn, Swave, you beam that shit. Swave, tell your friends to take notes.
Oh.
He's cracked, dude. That was a crack shot, Swave.
Okay, everybody off. Get away.
Practicing. Okay, Lynn. Woo, cracked.
There you go.
You gonna back up, Swave? What?
I want to be
Like behind the red
the
line.
babe. The Pokemon song should be
Oh,
playing right now.
I made it to green, right? Just say. Which one are you
You're gonna hit. You're gonna hit.
Which one are you
Right?
supposed to
I
use?
made
The
it
club?
Yeah.
Anyone. I use the top one because it's the hardest one. Yeah, I'm going righty this time.
Wait, which is the easiest one to use?
I don't care. We better get back. I don't want to spin it in the dome.
Alright,
I'm behind the line.
Oh, that's.
Go! Whoa! That went
Oh,
far.
this one is cracked.
I feel like I barely touched it.
Oh, there it is.
I didn't even see where it
That's
went.
not good or what? You just barely touched
I made
it.
it green. Alright, green.
Oh, good here. 5 points.
Alright, my turn. This one feels weird.
The professional himself coming out. Oh, right here on this thing.
Perfect wins. Steady.
Oh, practice.
Practice swing. Practice swing. Practice swing.
Oh, he's cracked. I didn't even see that shit.
Wow.
Straight to the shadow realm. Hey, so it's 6 points. He's cracked. This guy. Flip it home. My leg. Oh shit! You hear that?
Probably have to back up more.
Baby it.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, you have to back up, huh?
Te van a pegar.
Oh shit!
It's okay, it's okay.
It's alright, I missed 2.
So did I. There you go, Froggy. Right in the middle.
Oh, let's go, Frog. Let's go.
Welcome to Jeff. Where you going? Go, Jeff. Oh shit! You are? Oh shit, my bad.
Told you it feels weird trying to hit.
Yeah, it's so weird.
Oh! Eels!
Good job, honey.
Oh, professional.
He's lefty.
I know, fuck.
Yeah. Take notes, yeah.
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 Look at take notes from Nico.
I feel like you hit it the first.
Swing it around town, Chris. Swing it around town. There you go. Stop on your right foot. Don't forget it.
I legit just hit the fence right now, boys. Look at that. 117 miles per hour, Swave. 35 feet high. I made it to the trenches, Swave.
I see that,
Did you see that shit? I'm cracked, Noodles. It's hot outside. The car's hot. Nikki's hot. I'm ugly, but it works out. It works out. Our next step after Disneyland, the Home Depot. Yeah, we're actually at Home Depot. Things to buy, plenty of things to buy for today's project, which will not be the title of the video because it isn't. The main topic of this video is not actually car related, so this is part of today's activities, which will be featured shortly. Next plan on the agenda, so you assume we got a little couple cans of clear coat, right? This is why. It's finally time to paint these black wheels. Having fun back there?
Got it.
Oh, she got it! She's so strong! We're gonna paint Nikki Doodle's wheels right now because it's Saturday afternoon and we finally do not have anything to do, so why not do this? And we'll also be installing the camera. We can install camera bolts right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna install camera bolts on this car and it should be good. It should be really good. Look at that color, ladies. Nice and gold and ready to go. Well, actually, they're technically not ready because we still have to clear coat them. But that's why we're out here in the morning, so we can clear coat them. It's a new day. Look at that. Car, sun's out, guns out, wheels out. Let's fucking clear coat these and throw them on the car. Oh, car, get back up there, please. The wheels are finally done. Look how clear they are. Or they're in the garage right now, so obviously it doesn't look the actual color, so we pull them out. But you guys will see in this video how these wheels look on Schnickadoodle's car. Get ready, because I am ready for this. Gold and World Rally Blue. So you want to know what I'm actually going to do right now? What I'm going to do for my first meal of the day. What time is it? 11:30. You know what I'm going to do? 11:35? 11:45. My first meal of the day. You know what I really want? I told Nikki. I want Wendy's. I need a square hamburger in my life right now. Someone's texting me right now, but I am hungry. I am not tired. I woke up. We slept in today. Slept in pretty well today. Got up. I had to come finish these clear coating on these wheels. Let them dry. Throw them on the Doodle Mobile, and then we eat cake later. It'll be fun. I swear, every time I see a QR code, all I think about is putting a sticker on it. We need to get more stickers made, Doodles. If y'all haven't tried these, you need to try these. They're so good. Honestly, eating these are better than eating regular Skittles. I don't know why. They're just way more satisfying. She doesn't know I'm spying on her. Look. Washing her own car all by herself. What a big girl you are, Nikki Doodles. Nikki Doodles washing your car. Oh, she saw me. Let's see what she's up to.
You only call me off the red wine. No, it's not a bad time. I'll be over there tonight. No, I won't miss this fight. Only call me over red wine.
As you can see, we have finished wheels. We have gold wheels with World Rally Blue, OEM STI Gold, looking fresh. The tires are a little dirty, don't mind that. The valve stem caps were intentionally painted, by the way. So if you wonder why are your valve stem caps gold, they were intentionally painted because we are going to keep those gold and we're going to change the color of the caps so it kind of looks like the caps are floating. You know, that's the effect we're going for, but who knows if it's even going to work. But I think it looks good. Check it out. That car looks really good. We still need a little more low in the front. Still need a little more low in the back. That will happen eventually. Who knows when, but it will happen eventually. Trust me on that. All we gotta do next is go back home. Go back home and eat food, and then we are going to eat some cake. I didn't even tell you why we're eating cake, but you'll see in a little bit. That is a wrap on today's video. Before we wrap up today's video, I didn't even tell you why we had the cake yesterday. For the spoiler alert, yesterday was Mother's Day. We didn't have cake for Mother's Day. Yesterday was actually my birthday too. Spoiler alert. There you go. I said it to the world. I usually don't say my birthday a lot to everybody, but it was yesterday and it was on Mother's Day because I was actually born on Mother's Day weekend. And kitty's meowing because he wants treats and he wants to go outside, but I don't have a kitty backpack to take him outside with. I'm just rambling on and on because I want to make this short and sweet. This video is going up today, Monday. I'm also going to attempt to put another video up every day for the rest of the week. I'm throwing that out there into the universe, so hopefully I can make it happen. But I'm going to attempt to do this because I took all week off of work because we have lots of things to do, so I figured I'd record them all and try to upload once a day every day for a full week and see how it goes. That is my plan. Stick around. Like, sub, the usual shit. I don't even gotta say it, just, you know, the usual stuff. And hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.